Hello and welcome to Nick's Maths. Week 6, Term 3, Lesson 22, Multiplication Facts. And today we are going to go back and look at our basic multiplication facts, our basic times tables, and see if we can fill in some of the missing gaps, some of the things that we need to work on. Now, what is multiplication? Well, multiplication of two numbers is the repeated addition of one number to the number of times equal to the other number. Multiplication is one of the basic arithmetic operations, like addition and like subtraction and like division. The multiplication symbol is denoted by an X. In the basic times tables, there are 144 facts. Now watch the attached video which explains the 6 rules of learning your times tables, and then work out a way to consolidate the facts that you do not know. This is what this video is all about. So our learning intention today, we are learning to understand and apply our multiplication facts or our times tables. And we can know we do that if we can recognize and apply my basic times tables facts. If you can see that multiplication is repeated addition, and if you can apply the rules I've learned for multiplication from my times tables. A likely difficulty: getting your head around not using repeated addition, especially for the smaller numbers. And if you're unfamiliar with your times tables when dealing with multiplication, then this could be an impasse. But we've got to work out ways to consolidate our understanding of our times tables. Equipment: pencil, rubber, ruler, sheets of paper, texters, and coloured pencils. Language: fact, something that is actual. Multiplicative: the process or skill of multiplying. Division: splitting a quantity into smaller groups. Inverse: the opposite or reverse of something. Multiple: a number that can be divided exactly by another number. So this is very important that you watch the attached video, because that will tell you the 6 rules that help you consolidate the majority. I think it's 120 of your multiplication facts. So watch the attached video. So there are 144 multiplication facts in our basic times tables. Watch the attached video and then practice the 24 facts left over. See if you can find rules for them and tell me about it during our maths lessons. So the 24 facts that I want you to learn are 3 times 3, 4 times 3, 6 times 3, 7 times 3, 8 times 3, 8 times 8. 8 times 3, 12 times 8, 4 times 4, 6 times 4, 7 times 4, 8 times 4, 12 times 4, 6 times 6, 7 times 6, 8 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 7, 12 times 6, 12 times 7, 11 times 11, 12 times 11, 12 times 12, and 12 times 3. And there's a few square numbers in there, so there's a pattern you can find already. Now, some tricks to learning multiplication. Well, I showed you in previous videos, which you can go back and look at, how to remember your 7 times table and how to remember your 3 times table. We did the hand thing with the 9 times table, so you should be able to remember that. And here's another little trick. This is for our 4 times table. So we build a brick wall, and the brick wall has 3 bricks, 2 bricks, 3 bricks, 2 bricks, and 3 bricks. Then we write our basic 2 times table in the bricks provided. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 4, 8. And we do this way because it's the next brick along that you're working on. Now, in the first row, we place all zeros. In the second row, we place all ones. In the third row, yep, you've got it, we place all 2s. In the fourth row, yep, you've got it, we place all 3s. And in the final row, yep, we place all 4s. There we go. And as you can see, it's our 4 times table. 0 times 4 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. And 4 times 12 is 48. The brick wall way of learning our 4 times tables. Just place the two times table in the bricks sequentially, and then down the side add 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0. All right, once you've done that, questions you need to ask yourself. Do you understand the 6 rules of multiplication? Can you explain them? What was the best way for you to understand these different rules? Tell me about it. What was the most difficult table for you to learn? Try to figure it out. Explain why. How do you know your way works? What are some of the difficulties that you faced as a mathematician? And once you've done this, please send annotated photos uploaded through Compass. If this is too difficult, write a response or upload a JPEG or a Word document directly to my email. It's fantastic receiving your work. Work hard on your times tables and work hard on your basic facts, because your basic times tables will give you an entry into much harder maths. Take care, look after yourselves and stay safe. Keep on mathemating.